Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this beautiful purple look that I did in my last video, and a lot of you guys requested me to do a tutorial of it. So I'm just going to go straight into the tutorial. So for my transition shade today, I'm going to be using the color in the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead and start blending that into my crease, pretty much my whole entire eye. Not exactly sure what you guys call that part, kind of forgot. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep blending into it, make sure I get every single inch of that side. I'm just gonna be using that just to like give it like a little color to it. Now I'm just gonna keep blending and blending and blending. Next I'm gonna go in with the shade Hunt. It's a very like orangish shade in the palette. Really love this shade. I literally use it like all the time. I'm just gonna go in very like start off very lightly and just like build my way in. Try not to go all the way up to the top because it'll just make it look really weird. And I am using the brush in the Anastasia Norvina palette. The brushes that I actually use, like the ones I'm using in the video, I bought them off Amazon for a very affordable price. I'll put the link down below for you guys. For my next color, I'm gonna go in with the shade Buns. It's like one of like the dark shades in the palette, just to like give it a little of a dark side in my eye look. I don't like to have like just like light colors. I like to bring in like kind of like a little dark colors into my look just to bring it out more. I'm just gonna go in and start off in my crease and just build my way in, just like how I did with the orange shade, but this time a bit lower to my eyelid. Now I'm just gonna go in and blend all the harsh lines that I have. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Royalty in the palette. It's like a very beautiful purple shade. I did start off by setting spray with a brush, but it didn't turn out that great. I didn't actually like the brush, so I'm actually going to be using my fingers. I find it more like pigmented when I use my fingers. I guess like using a brush isn't really my thing when it comes to eyelid colors. Now I'm just going to keep blending with a very clean brush. Make sure I get all the harsh lines out of the way. Now I'm just getting rid of all the fallout that I had. I didn't really have so much fallout. Like this palette doesn't have a lot of fallout, which why I really love about it. Now again, I'm going to go in with the same shade as I did before, Hunt. And just I'm going to go in with under my waterline. I like to start to go into my outer corners and then lightly to my inner corners. Now I'm just going to go in and just keep blending and blending and blending. Make sure I have no harsh lines. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Charcoal by Maybelline. It's a gel liner that I really use like all the time. So many people always ask me like, what do I use for my eyeliner? Well, there you go. That's what I use. I start off with the shade Charcoal just to like make a line, like an outline of it. You know, just in case if I make like a mistake or something, it's like easy to erase. Once I'm done with the line, the outline of it, I'm gonna go in with the shade Darkest Black to, you know, give it that more of a dark look instead of like a lighter black. As you can see, I like to match my my eyeliner with my eyebrows. It makes it more easier for me to like match both my eyes. Since one of my eyes like never matches the other eye, I like to just use my eyebrows. And sometimes it's really frustrating for me because one of my eyebrows does not even match the other eyebrow. So it's, you guys understand, it's really frustrating. My brother, he just randomly wanted to say hi to you guys, so I was like, okay, I'll let you in the video for a quick second. Now I'm gonna go in with, I think it's called Royalty Blue by Maybelline. I'm not exactly sure what it's actually called, but I will put a link below of all of the makeup products that I've used in this video. I don't like to wear fake lashes personally. I like to have my real lashes out there. You guys might see me in my other videos. I might be using fake lashes. I'm not against fake lashes. I just like to have natural lashes, I guess. But I am using the shade Light and Beam for my brow bone. I also did go in with the Norvina palette just to give it like an extra glow. I went in with the shade Dreamer. It's like a very, very beautiful like light shade that I usually use. And I did use the same shades in my inner corners. I was going somewhere that day, so I wanted to be a little bit extra. Now I'm just going to go in and finish the rest of my face. And I will show you guys the end results. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see in my channel. And I did, start off with Disneyland and lots of Disney videos that will be coming up soon. But I also want to include my makeup life because I love makeup and I have a huge passion in it. So let me know what you guys think about my look that I did in this video. And if you guys do recommend any brushes that are affordable, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys haven't, go ahead and follow my Instagram page, and I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, and let me know what else you guys would like to see. And have a wonderful day, you guys.